Welcome back to the channel, guys. Here at Crypto Troll, bringing you the latest and the greatest in cryptocurrencies. And today, I will tell you how the accumulation period for Bitcoin is almost over. Don't miss out on your chance to get Bitcoin at a cheap price. So, before we get into it, I am not a financial advisor. I just do this for fun, for commentary, and for entertainment. If you haven't already, hit that like, hit that subscribe button. I promise I'm bringing you, some good content, some content you want to stay tuned in for, and, just to stay updated on what's going on in this crypto space. So today, I want to talk about this article that's what was released on Yahoo Finance. It started off by saying Bitcoin's rich list. So we continue to see Bitcoin get snapped up at cheap prices. As we scroll down, the blockchain data shows sustained bargain hunting by large Bitcoin holders despite persistent gloom and doom in the market. So we're starting to see more and more people who have money, or the 1%ers, are buying Bitcoin at this great discounted price. So it's addresses carrying at least 1,000 Bitcoin, known as the rich list or whales, held 7.89 million coins at press time, an addition of 80,000 coins since May 19th's price crashed to 30,000, according to data provided by Sentiment. So the total held by the rich list hit a 3-month high of 7.9 million earlier this week. Whales are slowing down aren't slowing down their accumulation. This is a strong voice of confidence for bulls, seeing top key stakeholders are increasing their bags. So we're seeing more and more of the 1% put money into Bitcoin and buy more Bitcoin. So no matter what we see in the press, no matter what the people are trying to say or the FUD they're trying to push, we see what big money is doing. And I always say, you want to follow big money. If you want to get rich and wealthy, see what the rich and wealthy are doing. Not what they are saying, but what they are actually doing with their money. And we see that they are continuing to buy more Bitcoin. So we say the increase by long-term signals accumulation during the bear trend, according to blockchain analytics from Glassnode. The data shows well and long-term holders remain confident of the cryptocurrency's projects or prospects. So everybody is confident. Big money is confident. They just was waiting on this a good or a better entry at a discounted price. And right now we know Bitcoin is deeply, deeply discounted. So we see the momentum what's currently happening with the whales, and we see what the whales are currently doing right now, and it's amazing. In other news, we see how Nexo is in Miami, and the crypto interest account giant, they talk about DeFi and the institutional adoption. So we're gonna get a little bit into it. It say, wow, decentralized finance has stolen the show with big number headlines over the past year. The closely watched total value lock figure notably growing nearly 800%, rising from 20 billion at the start of 2021 to 157 billion at May peaks. Centralized crypto financial services have likewise enjoyed explosive growth. So we see more people putting money into DeFi and these DeFi platforms, and adding liquidity to these platforms. And that's why I believe DeFi is the future, or one of the future sectors of crypto assets or cryptocurrencies. According to Caitlin, CFA and co-founder at Nexo, the crypto savings account company has grown fourfold to 15 billion, expanded to 1.7 million clients, and now has features like asset swap functionality built into the platform coming down the pipe. So we starting to see more people getting into DeFi and just actually putting their money and locking their money up into these projects that they believe in. And I feel like that's really the next wave of investing. DeFi is the next wave of investing because you can put money into projects that you believe in and that you can kind of see have use case in the future. So that's a beauty in cryptocurrencies, that anybody can become an angel investor. Anybody, no matter what's the amount of money that you have, you don't have to be super rich to become an angel investor in crypto. So adapting to DeFi, when it comes to DeFi Rise, Mito Dev, I think that's how you say his name, don't quote me, sees a clear ceiling in terms of the heights it can reach due to some of its core permissionless features. So we are intrigued by the opportunities the DeFi space may offer and find merit in the notions of automation and decentralization, he said. However, this is a space that needs to align with institutional policies and standards in order to survive and thrive on a large scale in the long term. Nexo operates in accordance with formal AML/KYC. KYC is Know Your Customer guidelines and compliance protocols, which are not currently adopted by the DeFi space. So let me know what you think, what you guys think. Should, we have more, institutional policies around things like this? Let me know what you think in the comments. So as we continue to go down and say, nonetheless, the company still tracks the emerging vertical closely and is open to learning and adopting new best practices from any source at any time, the DeFi space included. So we see Nexo, they're locking up liquidity, they're building on their platform, and we're just starting to see more and more people come into this crypto space and add more liquidity. And right now, we're right at like 1.5 million at the total market cap. Currently, we're like at $1.5 trillion currently. But we just got compared to $100 trillion stock exchange globally. So it's $100 trillion globally on the stock exchange, and we're still early in this crypto run. So this is only the beginning. So that's pretty much it for today. I'm Crypto Tro. If you haven't already, hit that like and subscribe button. I'm dropping gems, and make sure you comment and leave your name, and just leave all the comments, how you feel, what you think about Nexo, how you feel about the accumulation of Bitcoin from the rich. So just let me know. I'm Crypto Tro. I'm out of here.